Oh.
That's a big wave then. Oh no.
Oh, that's taken the motor off. Oh well, we had some seconds of fun.
Wave.
Yes, we definitely have to revisit this. This has only just popped off. Ooh,
Yeah.
yeah. Screw that back on. Maybe we'll have another go.
Another go.
Ooh, and the surfer survived. How about that? The surfer has survived, and it appears that it's just my propeller that's popped off and clipped the ends. So we'll screw that back on and have another go.
Several days later.
Okay. Everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA. It's a little bit twitchy. But indeed, it does fly, kind of. Well, he definitely looks like he's riding the wave. Well, that was exciting. Well, not the most stable flyer in the world, I think you'll agree.